how to turn off or on suggest your account to people who send links to you on TikTok. Now, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First, open TikTok now, and first click on your account here in the bottom corner, and after that click these three lines here, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and then click suggest your account to others. And now all you need to do here, you will find people who open or send links to you. Then just you can turn it on if you want to just suggest your account. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.